G'day guys and welcome back. This is AK from Medellin Real Estate Investments, and today I'm going to be taking you through a apartment in San Lucas. If you've been watching our videos lately, you've seen that we shared a lot of apartments that are in the San Lucas neighborhood, and that's because people love to live there. It's close enough to everything that you could want, only being 5 to 10 minutes away or even less from the main area of Provenza, but still being far enough away where you don't get any of the noise and the chaos. This one is 178 square meters, so pretty big compared to most of the apartments that you've seen on this channel and most of the apartments that are available for sale in Medellin as well. It's made up of 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and each bedroom has its own bathroom and closet. So this is the laundry area we're walking through, which is actually the maid's quarters, which would have been, but now it's kind of a storage room, I guess. There is the kitchen, someone running through. This has a spacious living/dining area which opens to a balcony which has pretty nice views, as you saw at the start of the video. Here's a little nook that maybe you could turn into a study area or a workspace, but they have it as a TV room right now. We're looking here at the first bedroom. You can see it has its own nice bathroom, all freshly renovated. This place is basically turnkey. You don't really need to do anything to it. You can just move in as it is, or you can just chuck it straight on Airbnb. Now let's look at the second bedroom. Basically mirrors the first bedroom. Same type of bathroom and bedroom setup. Plenty of light coming to these bedrooms and really nice views, as you just saw right there. Now let's head back into the corridor and we'll just check out the next bedroom. I guess this would be the third bedroom. This one is bigger than the other two, as you can see. Plenty of space for a king bed, and also this one has great views. There's a common theme here, you can see. Basically all the bedrooms have great views, and the balcony has an even better view. So if you're interested in seeing this apartment, or this apartment's maybe too big for you and you want something smaller, or it's too small and you want something bigger, we have a huge portfolio of apartments that we'd be happy to show you. So just click the link that we left for you in the description, fill out all your details of exactly what you want, and one of our agents will be in touch with you very soon. See you in the next video, and if you want to see some more videos like this one, then just click this link that I left for you right there.